I am doing a cut crease tutorial. Not just any cut crease tutorial. I am going to be using colors that I never in a million years would dream of combining. So I have no idea where this is going to go. I'm just going to have fun with it. If you want to have fun with me, then stay tuned and check out the video. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly, and today I'm coming at you with a cut crease extravaganza. Yes, I am gonna do a cut crease using colors that I would never ever even dream of combining. And why? Basically because I just want to have fun with it. Makeup is supposed to be fun, so we can have fun together, and let's see where this is going. It's gonna be an adventure. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you want to make sure that you're part of the cool squad. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a very little itty bit of fitness. Yeah, just a very little bit. I am going to be using the Juvia's Place palette that I've used before. You might have checked out my Instagram, Kimberly Caines. You might have seen it on there. I already created a look with it and I fell in love with this palette. They have so many gorgeous palettes. I have to get all the other ones too. They're affordable. This palette was only 20 bucks. So yeah, just so you know. And no, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I just love it. And when I love something, I want to, share it with you guys. I am going to be using several of these beautiful, gorgeous colors in here. Take a look at that. This is going to be an extreme kind of colorful look. And you guys always comment, oh, you don't need any makeup. You look good without makeup and all that stuff. And I think that is wonderful and that's so sweet. But I'm a girly girl. I'm a girly girl and I love makeup and I love playing with makeup. And if I can, I've had my makeup applied plenty of times in the past in Europe, doing all kinds of stuff and shoots and stuff. And I figured if I could share something with you guys that you might pick up and learn something new, then, that's all good with me. So that's all I have to say about that. On another note, I'm sniffly. I don't know, every time when I prepare to start filming, my nose starts getting very sniffly. I don't know why. And it's highly irritating because every time when I edit, because I edit my own videos, then I have to cut it out, and because else I'd constantly be like, it's really something weird. Because every time I start preparing to film, my nose starts dripping. It's interesting. But that's too much information here, and I'm talking way too much. So let me get to the video. I already did my face. I did my foundation and powder and my eyebrows just to save on some time so we can get right to the eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with the LaGirl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this is the one in the shade Pure Beige. There. So I'm setting my concealer with the Mercier medium deep powder, which I also used all over my face, by the way. If you check out my blog, bffwithkimberlycaines.com, you know that Mercier powder is my favorite. Okay, we're gonna start with our transition color. And I'm going to use the shade Madagascar and Kenya, which are these two brownish shades. And we're just going to combine the two a little bit. And we're going to apply it right above our crease on both sides. Not too dark, not too light. For the transition shade, you always want to take a shade that's going to make the whole thing flow. There. For those of you who don't know how to apply eyeshadow and you're a beginner, I did a video on that. I'll link it up here or up there somewhere. It's a beginner eyeshadow video. Just giving you some basic tips on how you can properly apply eyeshadow so you don't look like a clown or anything like that. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Morocco. Let's see, I'm going to just apply that right below and in the outer corner here. For the record, guys, I always blow on my brushes. It's a bad habit. Don't copy it because you'll just put bacteria on your brushes and all that stuff. I figured I'm the only one using my brushes, so it doesn't really matter. But, you know, I want to make sure to always set the right example. And when you work with eyeshadow, always try to layer. Like start lightly and then go darker because it's easier than if you were to start dark and then go lighter. It's a little difficult. Now notice I'm not putting anything on the inner corner of my eye because we're going to cut the crease anyway. So what's the point of putting any, you know, makeup there? Okay, so now that we did the orange part, I am going to cut the crease. And I'm just going to use my same old trusted Pro Conceal concealer. And I'm going to try to do this neatly. Okay, so I cut the crease a little bit. It's not perfect, but I'm just gonna go with it. I am gonna go in with that gorgeous yellow color and this green color. I'm gonna start with the green color. And I'm packing it thickly onto the brush and I'm just gonna dab it on. And I have no idea where this is gonna go. Now for the inner corner, I'm gonna use that yellow color. Here we go. And it's okay if the colors overlap each other a little bit because it'll look more natural that way. I look kind of like a parakeet, huh? Nothing against parakeets. Oh, this yellow is very vibrant. Okay, now the same orange color, I am going to apply my waterline. Ooh. I'm gonna line my eyes with this Rimmel eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna pop on some lashes, guys. And then I'll come back with the final result. Line the eyes. I think it came out really nicely. This was supposed to be like an extreme look, but it's not. I'm gonna add some of this color called Zuri to my upper, like right in my brow area here. I always like to put a lighter color right there just to make it lift up the eye and make it pop. And now I'm going to do my lips and I'm going to use the Almay Lip Vibes lipstick in Hit Snooze. I'm gonna remove some of the lipstick just so a little bit of the color stays on your lips. And then I'm gonna use the Buxom lip gloss in Amber right over it. There. For my cheeks, I'm gonna go to my e.l.f. Modern Metals palette, and I just actually dropped this on the floor and it broke. Don't ask. But I like using this color It's my go-to. As you can see, it's all messed up, but yeah. The struggle, people. It's a natural color, so it keeps the whole look natural. I'm not going to do a highlight. I'm not going to overly contour my face and stuff like that. I'm just going to apply it lightly. So guys, this is the final look. Do you love it? I kind of do. It's kind of weird because I would normally not go for these bold colors, but I thought it was going to look really strange. But you know, you never know with makeup. So you just have to try it and have fun with it. So I had fun with you guys. I hope you had fun too. Let me know, sound off in the comments below to let me know what you think of this look. And yeah, tune in again next Friday because I post another video every Friday. So join me right here. I'll be back again. And yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend.